Hey guys, so we are here. Eli insisted on playing. So he approximates the sign by going like this. It's so cute. The sign for play is this. Play. This is yellow and 2 is play. Abre. Okay, pero siéntate bien. And he readily does it because he's super motivated. Oh, look at that cross. Crisscross applesauce. Good job. High five. Dame 5. Me gusta cómo te sientas. And I praise him for how he's sitting and not just saying good job. Me gusta cómo te sientas. Buena decisión. Okay. So I ordered a few goodies for speech therapy and I got him some stuff as well. SOP mom at its best. Abre. Show you guys. Wow. Wow. Gracias, Saka. Wow! Wow! He is strong. It is flipping. Oh. Oh my goodness! Wow! So I have bought these mesh bags, but I got them in a larger size to fit big toys so that I can fit the whole toy or the majority of the toy in there. I have talked to parents and I've talked to teachers about keeping things contained in Ziploc bags, things like these, containers high up so that the child has to be forced to communicate. So, aquí están las bolsas. Here are this is an extra large. Nice little zipper here. And you can work out sounds. Zzz, abre, cierra, all done, más. Adentro, afuera, abre. So, voy a poner las bolsas aquí, adentro de la caja. Oh my goodness, look at these. Listen to paletas. It's amazing. I'll show you guys in a close-up. And this is the coolest toy I've ever seen in my life. It's a multi-function kitchen sink. It has a little stove component right here. Y sale humo, like the vapor. And you can turn it on and it turns on with the little light. And then there's running water right here. So, and then here's where you dry your items. But I'll show you guys. Oh, and this is so cute too. Miren esto. Look at this. A little coffee set. And I got 2 of the coffee sets because Eli, I know, will be obsessed with it. I got one for therapy and one for him. Let me... Wow. So here are the paletas. Oh my god. Okay, pero siéntate bien, Eli. The coffee. Other coffee. Paletas. And the multi-function kitchen is right here. Look at this. Look at this. Eli, no, no, no. Ese es de mamá. Abre. Help. Oh, oh, help.